Genesis 3:3. But of the fruit of the tree which is in the midst of the garden, God hath said, Ye shall not eat of it, neither shall ye touch it, lest ye die.
William Marrion Branham said in this message that Jesus Christ, the same yesterday, today, and forever, 1952-0810E, in the Garden of Eden, there's two trees. One was knowledge and one was faith. One was life, one was death of knowledge. Other one was life by faith. And as long as they eat by faith of this tree, all right, they lived. But when he got on this tree, he died. The first bite he took, he separated himself from God. And man continually has been biting off of that tree. And every time he takes a bite by knowledge, he destroys himself. God destroyed nothing, man destroys himself through knowledge. Look, he bit himself off some gunpowder, kills his comrades. He bit himself off of an automobile off the tree, kills more than all the wars put together. Is that right? Knowledge, eating off that tree. He has got himself an hydrogen bomb now. I wonder what he's going to do with that. See? But the trouble of it is, these people, they figure up so much on this tree of knowledge. Then when they can't figure it out any longer, they say bush with all of it. Listen in the name of the Lord. Listen, when you can't figure out any more, that's the time to believe. It's like someone going to swim. As long as you got your feet on the ground, all right. But when you step in the step off, there's the time to swim. It's where you can't figure out, then you believe from there on. Figure up as much as you can, then when you can't figure anymore, then from right there, start believing.